the little engine that could. Grass have no X at grass have long necks and even no tender, not no necks at all, but even a baby elephant. And there were 2 dolls in the funniest cloud you ever saw. But some trees were made of lollipops, and some milks are getting made. And she puffed around Nellie, but she stopped. Her wheels were not get another turn. Look, my Rusty, I think he will help. I will not pull you, indeed. I can't pull you, indeed. And off he seemed. That's not really nice. Oh, and off he seemed. Shh. And here's a funny big one. I think he will help us. I can't pull you. Indeed, my wheels have pressing cars in it. I pull you, indeed. And off he steamed. And here's the shiny thing. Our shiny rusty one. I think he will help us. And off he steamed. My car is rusty, and I can't pull you, indeed. And all the toys were ready to cry. And here's the blue one. I think she will help us. What's the matter, my friend? She asked. Will you pull us around this mountain? I will. They said, this is not an old train in the world. They asked. Oh, they said, there's a shiny blue one. I think she will help us. She said, what's mine, my friend? Will you pull us around the mountain? I never go down the mountain. I think I can. I think I can. And off she goes. And she said, yeah! And she pulled and pulled and chugged. And she came in a little blue green goat. She needed to say, I think I can.
Good job.
And the other picture, and